Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix internet problem in your Samsung smartphone. If you find it is crashing sometimes, not downloading apps, videos, not connecting to your device, how you can fix these issues. So first friends, the simple method is by going to the control center. You have to enable this flight mode, so it will refresh your internet, and then you have to tap back and just turn it off for at least 10 seconds after it on. Then friends, you have to go to your settings of your smartphone, then click on this connections. Here you will see this mobile networks. Tap on it, you will see access point name APN. Click on three dots, then reset to default, and this will reset your internet settings. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.